Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, let's talk about how to verify your Trim account. Verifying your Trim account is important because it ensures the security of your information and helps to unlock all features like account alerts and saving tools. To get started, all you gotta do is open the Trim app and log into your account. Once you're in, you might see a banner or prompt asking you to verify your account. If not, just go to your profile or settings menu and then tap on verify account or account verification. Trim will typically ask you to confirm your email address first, so if you haven't already, just check your inbox for a verification email from Trim. Tap the link in that email to confirm. Next, you may be asked to verify your identity for security purposes. This could also include providing your full legal name, date of birth, and possibly the last four digits of your social security number, especially if you're using financial services like bill negotiations or savings accounts. Trim might also request a quick phone number verification, so just enter your mobile number and then type in the code that they send via text. You're gonna get a text from Trim to your mobile number and just get that code and input that here. Once all steps are completed, you're gonna see a confirmation message that your account is verified. This helps Trim better secure your data and gives you access to its full suite of tools. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to update your Trim profile. So if you're interested, stay tuned to the channel. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.